What is going on, guys? It's Tharshey and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Acer Predator Helios 300. So I ordered this on the 17th of November. I paid for expedited shipping, which costed me an extra $30, and the estimated delivery date was the 30th of November. However, it came on the 26th of November, so I'm extremely happy with the Amazon shipping. And any damage you do see in the box, guys, it was probably caused by me because the delivery guy left it outside, and while he did phone me, I went down to fetch it, and unfortunately my keys for the gate and my remote for the gate was not working, so I had to pick it up through the gate and take it over the top of the gate and bring it inside. So yeah, anyway, the model I have comes with the Intel 10th generation i7 processor, which can go up to 5 GHz per second. It comes with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card with 6 GB of VRAM. It comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM at 2933 MHz a second. It comes with a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, and it has 4 zones of RGB lighting. So yeah, it's a pretty beastly machine, and I only paid $1,200 for it, plus another $300 in shipping and import fees to my country. Anyway, if you guys do enjoy this video, please do drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay guys, so I just took that off and I cut open this top now, so let's just open this up. So let's have a look at what's in here now. So we open this box up, and okay, so as you can see, it's got some like, I don't know, cardboard paper or something, and then now this is the actual box, I think, that comes with the laptop. So yeah, I'll be right back as soon as I got this out the box. So this is the inner box, and if you look closely here, you can see this tape that actually says check contents if seal is broken. So that just lets you know whether anyone has tampered with your package or anything. And if you check the seal on mine, I can see that the seal is not broken anywhere, so that means that my package has not been tampered with or opened by anyone else. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up right now and let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I've opened the seal, and as you can see, that is the Predator box in there. I'm gonna just take it out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what was inside it. It was just this like wooden thing with a free laptop bag that the laptop actually comes with, and then this is the Predator box itself, which also has another one of these labels to check to see if it's broken, and as you can see, this one is not broken at all. So we know no one has tampered with anything. So the reason why I'm actually just skipping between the actual opening of each box is because I doubt you guys want to see me try and struggle to pull out a box for like a minute straight. So yeah, I'll be right back as soon as I cut this open. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying so far, and if you have made it this far into the video, please do drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you this part because I do want you guys to see like the cushioning and stuff it comes with. So as you can see, that is the laptop right there. And this is a cushion to make sure to protect it from any damage or shocks or anything like that. So it is got, you know, it's not like just left there alone. Obviously, it's a $1,200 laptop. They're going to make sure it has some protection. I'm just going to pull it out and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is actually not the laptop. This is just another box that the laptop comes inside. And here we have this, I don't know, it's probably got some papers or guides or whatever in here. So that's just got the Predator logo, which looks really cool. And then over here we have the actual power stuff. So let me just take this out. This is the power cable. Yeah, that's the power cable. And then it's also got the power brick, if I can get this out. And this power brick is actually quite heavy. Okay, there you go. So that is the actual power brick. And the rest of the cable with the part that goes into the laptop. Let me put that to the side. Okay, and let's open this and have a look at what this is. So open this. This is probably has to do with laptop registration and stuff. So let's just take a look. So we have the Predator Helios quick guide. So there's this. Then we have, what is this? This is just Acer care if you're having trouble with your laptop. This is Predator Premium Service. So yeah, cool. That looks really cool. I like the card, I like the material. And this is the Acer Predator Helios 300 setup guide. So yeah, I'm gonna get this out the box next. So that's actually okay. I don't want to drop this or anything. So I'll just do it one side at a time. Okay, and let's get the other side out. as well. Okay, just put that over there. And this also comes with more stickers on it. Obviously these are Acer stickers instead, so it has one on either side. And the reason why I'm showing you guys all the stickers is because it's just very important to check, because people have had laptops and stuff come open, so you have to check to make sure that, you know, all your seals are not broken, everything is there, everything hasn't been tampered with, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut this open and bring out the laptop. Okay guys, so just before I open this, I just want to show you something quickly. So I'm in South Africa, obviously, as many of you guys know, and my laptop comes with this here, with this you know, this connection thing. So yeah, this is actually the American one. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. So what you will need is, if you're in South Africa or another country that has adapters that look like this, so you know, with just 2 prongs rather than this 3-prong thing, and this is actually very thin, you will need to get an adapter so you can actually connect it to your power sources. Another thing is, American outlets provide voltage at 120 volts. South African outlets, UK and stuff, provide at 220 to 240 volts. So you have to check your actual power bank to see if it can handle that. So if you look here, you'll see it says input voltage is 100 to 240 volts. So that means it's fine. Even if I plug this directly into our power sources here, we should be fine, because this is ready to accept voltage from anything between 100 to 240 volts, which is perfect because we have a 220 volt output here in South Africa. So yeah, that's just something you should look at, is the voltage output. So I'm fine over there. And as for this, I'm just going to have to go and buy a cheap 20-30 rand adapter. And yeah, then I'll be able to plug this directly into the adapter and from there into the power source. So anyway, let's open this up now. So if I go and I just remove this. Okay, so yeah, okay, remove that. And then in here, we can see it's got this cover. So let me just, I'll be right back. Let me just take this out the box. Okay guys, so here's the laptop, and this is what the box actually looks like. It looks really cool. So yeah, and this is the laptop. So as you can see, it's got the Predator logo. It's got these 2 RGB lighting slots over here. So yeah, let me just open and see how it opens. Can you open it with 1 finger? Yes, you can. Okay. So it's got a very nice weight distribution as well, because you can open it with 1 finger. As you can see, the panel is 144 Hertz with a 3 millisecond response time. And yeah, so let's just take this off. And this is the laptop. So as you can see, the WASD keys are highlighted in blue, and yeah, it looks really good. There's got a full keypad, so it even has the numbers and everything over there. And as you can see, it says Core i7 10th Gen, GeForce RTX, Predator Helios 300, 4th Gen Aeroblade Tech, Killer Double Shot Pro Wi-Fi card, and available slots. So oh yeah, about that, so let me just close this quickly and show you. So where is that? I had it here just now, guys. I'm not sure where I left it, but basically it comes with the cable as well as the screws needed to add in a 2.5-inch hard drive. So if you do want to add in a 2.5-inch external hard drive to the actual computer, you can. It comes with the cable needed as well as the screws needed to actually connect that and add that in. So that's really good, and I'm glad Acer did provide that. As you can see, this laptop does have a webcam, and it's got a pretty thick bottom bezel, but it looks really cool. It's got the Predator logo. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This is the unboxing of my Acer Predator Helios 300, and yeah, it's a really good machine. It came perfectly, there was nothing wrong. And yeah, so I will, if you guys do want to, you know, look at specs, thermals, look at frames in gaming and all that stuff, then I do recommend going and checking out Jared's Tech, because he's the guy who I went and watched. So he did a very, very good in-depth review on the computer and the thermals and everything about it. And then he also did another video where he tested it out in 20 different games and compared it to a whole bunch of other laptops as well. So yeah, go check out Jared's Tech if you do want an in-depth review. This was just an unboxing video, and yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please do drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.